Please press the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon and never miss an update from Passionate Geeks. Hey, what's happening guys? PG's here. We are at the month of March and today I brought you the list of apps you probably missed in the month of February. So here I am, remind you again, I have 10 apps on my list and the apps links are on the description. You don't need to Google or do anything, just hit the description and download the app which you find interesting or suitable for your phone. So I brought you the list of 10 apps. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button, to like, do shares. So without wasting any time, let's kickstart the month of March with my list. Okay, on number 10 I have an Android development app tutorials. Okay, this is the whole-in-one app. You can learn the Android theme stuff, learn Android developing stuff, make the Android buttons. It have all source code, all the XML files, all the things in the one app. You can learn the Android, you can start the Android studio with it. It have a project, it have a multiple choice question, it have a quiz. It will show you how to make a table, how to make a buttons and much more. It is a very much interesting app I found on the Play Store. So this is the very best and the worst app. Okay, number 9 is Cornerfly. Cornerfly is an app which gives a user interface to corners. You can adjust the corners, you can change the size, but you need to do a small payment to change the size of the corners. But in the free mode you can only size is 12 is default. You can change the edges, you can change the settings, but you need to give it accessibility shortcuts to enable this feature. You can turn off the right, left, bottom, upper, or whatever you want. Next, on the number 8 I have a Sentio app. To be frank, I don't know what kind of crap is this. I don't have any idea what is the purpose of this app. If you have any information about this app, please tell me in the description, in the comment section, because I don't have much information about this app, to be frank, because I don't know what is the purpose of this app, what developer want to show us by making these apps, because I don't know how to use it, as it is simple. But if you have knowledge how to use it, please tell me in the comment section. On number 7 is the Tap. Tap is a very simple and sensitive app. It is a storytelling app, or you can say it have a bunch of stories within the app, but it need an internet connection obviously. So I like the part of the story, like just click on the tab and it will provide you in the conversation, like as you are showing on the screen. You don't need to read in a paragraph. It will show you the conversation between the two peoples and hence continue the story. It have a bunch of lists. I am very addicted to this app. I'm using it for 2 or 3 days and I am loving this app. Hats off to developer. Best app in the Play Store for the reading purposes. On my list, number 6. Number 6 is Animator, as we are using PicArt for photo editing, but this version of PicArt, that is PicArt Animator, gives the animation to the photos or the GIF. You can make the GIFs and send to your friends, to your WhatsApp friends, or whatever you want to send. You can share on Instagram too. Just select the photo you want to turn them into a animation. Just turn your photos into animation by adding objects into it and make a GIF using photos. It is a very fun loving app. You should use it once, but I'm not addicted to this, but you can use it. It is a you can say a time pass app for a Photoshop lover, obviously. So if you have interest for making GIFs, you should try this app. Okay, on my list 5. Fifth is the Flat UI, and Flat UI is a widget add-on for the Super, as you know as Super widgets. If you don't know about the Super widget, then do not use this app, as it's an add-on for Super widgets Pro especially. You cannot use it on the Super free mode. You have to download the Super Pro that is available in Play Store. Next is fourth. On fourth, I will give you the Simple Control. Simple Control is movable navigation keys, or you can say you can control your phone, like go back, go to menu, go to reason. You can adjust the height, you can adjust the width, you can change the theme, but it also have in-app purchases. But if you want to change the style, you have to give a small amount of payment. Okay, these apps are most probably used. So here I can change the style whatever you want. 4 styles are only free. Next are paid. You can change the height, you can change the width, you can change the positions, whatever you want to bring the shortcut of the navigation keys. Okay, on the number 3 is iPanel. iPanel, clears with the name, it will give you iPhone panel or a control panel or a control center of iPhone in your Android devices. As you can adjust the brightness, you can adjust the volume, you can play music, you can capture. On second, I have Lena Desktop. Lena Desktop is a very trending now because it will give you multi-taps by using, it will give you a desktop look to your Android device, but it is a launcher, not a whole app. So it is a launcher, you can use it as a launcher, but it is worst launcher I ever seen. But for the multiple Windows purposes, it do a better job. It is difficult to open apps in this window. It will only provide you the apps opening in the windows that only your YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, all the apps are shown in the link. It also has some modes like a launcher modes. As you see, it gives me the list of all the apps that I have on my phone. So it is a simple app you can use. And the number 1. Okay, number 1 is Blur, DSLR Blur. So you can add a DSLR effect to any photos or photos especially. Just click on the photo and drag and move your hand according to your photo and click on the blur section, and it will give you a blur look to your photos. You can also do it with the pick-up. So here's the list, guys. Hope you like the video. Do share, do likes,